Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will talk about the next price target of PUPS coin, which you can see here 7.27% in last 24 hours it was go down. Can we need to take entry right now? It is a big dip, my brother, or not, my brother. Everything I will tell you in this video, and how much you need to hold for a long time. Absolutely, it is very crazy video, so keep watch and join Telegram group for future trading signal. We will provide daily 10 to 15 signal, and absolutely I will make you millionaire. If you want, my brothers, to recover your losses, if you are in loss, just message me. I will 100% give you a strategy to recover your losses. You can see this time market cap, the volume. Let's come point, my brother, some crazy points I will tell you about that. Definitely you can take a your decision. Volume is 25% decrease. Right now it was recovery was starting, my brother, but it was very badly decreased. Now 75 something like that it will decrease, but right now 25% just remaining, so that's mean the recovery was start. Okay, the buying rate is too much high right now. It was increasing. You can see here the last 24 hour, just real time it was easily recovering. You can see here and starting pumping all time. You can see here it was very close to the highest support, and I'm 100% sure it will be easily break this. You can see here in last 24 hours also we will be see look like an uptrend. Okay, so I strongly recommend you to take a long position, and if you are already holding, keep hold it and wait for my call on Telegram. I will also provide you a crazy call about this coin, so keep watch my videos and join Telegram group for future trading signals.